Hello, friends. Welcome to my channel. Hope you are understanding and enjoying the basic concepts of the language. And I request everyone to kindly subscribe my channel and forward this message to your friends in order to have the knowledge so that they can also have the effective communication skills. So today I will deal with the second part of the tenses. First, yesterday as I dealt with the simple present tense, today I will deal with present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is my today's lecture. So here the we use it in the sense of चल रहा है, हो रहा है, कर रहा है या कर रही हूँ. In that sense we make use of the present continuous tense. Now, in what is the formula for making the present continuous tense? Means which form of verb we will use when present continuous tense is made. It is the use of is, am, are plus first form of verb plus ing. So always remember, whenever you are using the present continuous tense, there you always take the help of the helping verbs is, am, are plus first form of verb plus ing. Is used with he, she, it and the singular nouns. Am is used with the I and the are is used with you, we, they and the plural nouns. So now the next part is the how we use this tense. Then it is the what is the situation where we use this tense. It is always used in the situation like to talk about the things which are happening or continuing at a particular time, means any activity that is going on at a particular time in the present time. So like I am speaking, so I am giving a lecture, so I will say I am speaking on the present continuous tense. So since this activity of mine is going on, so let's take another example. Now for example, children are playing in the garden. Since children is the plural, so we will make use of are playing in the garden. Are playing is the tense we are using and are playing is the present continuous tense. Never make a mistake of using the continuous tense without the helping verb. Some students they commit an error, like they make sentence children playing in the garden. It's wrong, because whenever you are to use the ing form, it is always used along with the helping verb. Similarly, if I am to make one another sentence, I am enjoying my job. I am enjoying my job. Am enjoying is the present continuous tense. So my sister is sleeping in the room. My sister is sleeping. Now here is sleeping is the present continuous tense. I have made the sentence three sentences. Children are playing in the garden. Are playing is the present continuous tense. My sister is sleeping in the room. Is sleeping is the present continuous tense. Similarly, I have made another sentence also, like any other you can talk about. I am enjoying the party, or I am living in a room. I am enjoying the party. Am enjoying is the present continuous tense. So this way it is the make use of the present continuous tense. Let's repeat it. It is always used in the sense of the activity which is going on, and the verb used will be, first thing you need to remember is am and are plus first form of verb plus ing, and the situation is anything or any activity which is going on or continuing at a particular time in the present. So now let's make it practically how we use them in the sentences. Let's take the one example of, first we start with the affirmative sentences, because we mostly talk in the these kind of sentences in a day-to-day life. Conversations are there, or writing part is done, and here the part is let's make the sentence in the affirmative positive way is children are playing in the garden. Children are playing. Are playing is the verb here. And second part is the negative. We make the sentences when we are to say the no, when we negate the things. So now here, children are not playing in the garden. Are not playing. Are not playing. Between are and playing we insert not. You are not to insert not after I or after the playing. It is always inserted between the helping verb and the main verb. We insert the not. Then is the interrogative sentences. We ask the question also. So in that case, so let's start with then we interchange the position of the helping verb and the that is the subject. So helping verb is here is are. Children are not playing in the garden. I will start with the sentence are. Children will come at the second place. Rest of the sentence remains the same and it ends with the sign of interrogation. Are children not playing in the garden? Are children not playing in the garden? Suppose I have to make the negative or the interrogative sentence of the children are playing in the garden. Children are playing. I will interchange the position of the are and the children. Are will come at the first place, children will come at the second place. Rest of the sentence remains the same. Are children playing in the garden? And by the sign of interrogations. So this way practically we make use of the present continuous tense. So every sentence that is we are making in the simple that is the present continuous tense. So you have to take care of it whether that you are making it an affirmative, negative or the interrogative. Accordingly we are shifting the position of the verbs, but make sure that verb is always followed by the subject, that is, but in case of the interrogative sentence only the position of these two is interchanged. So that way the question makes. So because the students they face the problem where we use the do does, and do does is used in simple present tense and is are used in the present continuous tense in making of the any type of question. Like for example, I want to make one question: are you there? Are you there? Are you working there? So we start with are. So that way, so we can discuss so many things. So that's all I have to say about the today's lecture. Hope you have understood it. Thank you, and I again request everyone to kindly like my channel. Thank you.